Good morning, all.
Morning.
Any questions from yesterday's session? So yesterday we have completed company code global parameters, right? These are the things we have completed. Right, the pending thing is document types, correct? So as I mentioned that this will be discussed in new GL accounting. So already we have started new GL accounting concept. So here we discuss what are the prerequisite to do configuration for new GL accounting, correct? The new GL accounting configuration prerequisite. So to do new GL accounting configuration, first we need to set up a currency, group currency. Next one, we need to maintain a controlling area. We need to maintain a profit center standard hierarchy. And after that, we have already defined Indian fiscal year. Okay, but we need to generate reports according to US GAAP reporting also. So for that, we need to create a variant for Jan to December also, for US GAAP reporting also. And same time, we need to maintain a posting period variant, open and close posting periods for Jan to December, for Jan to December. So these are the basic prerequisites to do configuration for new GL accounting. Unless until we won't do this configuration, we can't do new GL accounting configuration. Is that clear? Any questions here? Any questions?
No, Naveen.
Okay. So here, first of all, we will maintain group currency or maintain or set up group currency. So put a heading as an maintain group currency. Maintain group currency or setup. Maintain group currency. Put a heading as an maintain group currency. First configurations. Most important thing is put a heading as an most important thing is group currency will be maintained. Group currency will be maintained at client level. Client in the sense, whatever client, 800 client, 1000, 200 client, 100 client. So client level we will maintain. Okay. Group currency will be maintained at client level, not at company code level, not at company code level. Okay. And one more thing, not at company. So what does it mean? So whenever we do maintain a group currency, okay, whatever company codes are there in that particular client, it will be affected to all the company codes. Is that clear? Okay, we don't have a path for this. We don't have a path for this group currency. Okay, so we don't have a path here. Okay, transaction code, write down directly transaction code. How to change group currency? Transaction code SCC4. SCC4. Transaction code. So important. So how to view the different clients in a system server? Okay, then this is a transaction code we can view. What are the different clients we have in the system and what are the currencies we can maintain in the system? So this is the transaction code is SCC4. SCC4. Transaction code is SCC4. Okay. So here you can see SCC4. See here, whatever clients are there default, as you remember, we discussed what is 000, 001, 066, right? 800, 810, 800. These are the training clients. Clear? In real time also, you will find whatever clients are there in your company or whatever company you're doing implementation. So all the client numbers will be get displayed here. Clear? If you are working for 200 client or 210 client or 220 client, 110 client, 130 client. So you can view here all the clients, whatever clients are there in that particular server. These are the standard clients you will find in real time also. 000 client is it? Early we discussed what do you mean by 000 client, 001 client, correct? 066 client, right? So these are the 800 client where we are working right now. Correct? This is the client where we are working. So select 800 client. Select 800 client. Select 800 client. Click on here. You can see here. Click on change button. Display change. Click on change button. Client 800. Click on display change. So first time if you are working in the client 800 client, so here you will find euro currency. Here you will find euro currency. Okay. Now you can see here. Click on display change. See here. The table is cross client in the sense it will be affected to different clients, right? And different company codes, whatever there in 800 clients. So just click on OK button. So if you are doing for the first time, then by default, it will show euro currency. Instead of INR, it will show euro currency. Okay, so we need to make it to according to our client requirement, customer requirement, we need to change the currency. So here our corporate company is in India. So we are making it as an INR currency, INR only. Write down, note on NOT note. By default, by default, client currency will show as euro currency. Change it to INR currency, or ORR, or change it to client local currency. Client local currency. Client local currency. Okay. Any questions here? It's very important, this configuration step.
No, Navik, that's all good from my side.
How about others? Is this clear? One second. Okay. By default, why it is showing as an euro currency? Because it's a German product. SAP is a German product, German euro. It will show. Okay. Change currency from euro to INR or client local currency. Or client local currency. Or client local currency. One second. Client local currency. Give me a second time. Okay, any questions here? No, right? So next one, next step. So this is about your currency settings. This is about your currency settings. So next one. Next one. Maintain controlling area. Very important step. Maintain in controlling area. Second step, maintaining or maintain controlling area. Group currency we have selected. Maintain controlling area. Write down, put a heading as a maintain controlling area. Already we discussed what do you mean by controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Write down below. Write down below. Controlling area is a controlling area is a controlling area is a highest organizational element. Controlling area is a highest organizational element. Organizational element. Highest organizational element in CO module. In CO module. In CO module. In CO module. Based on this, based on this, we can generate cost and management reports. We can generate cost and management reports. We can generate cost and management reports for internal analysis and decision making purpose. For internal analysis and decision making purpose. Okay. For internal analysis and decision making purpose. Here the most important thing is, okay. So here I would like to say one thing. Before new GL accounting, we have two modules like FI module and CO module. FI module and okay. In finance module, the reports in finance module we used to generate reports at company code level. We used to generate reports at company code level. Company code level. Okay. And whereas in CO module, we used to generate controlling reports, controlling area. So here, if I want to get a reports in the sense FI related, finance related reports like balance sheet, trial balance and all. So we used to get in FI module. And controlling area is nothing but CO reports, cost reports. What is the investment, what is the expenditure we have spent, what is the revenue we have, what are the expenses we have spent. All those we used to get in controlling. Cost related reports we used to generate in CO area, controlling area. Okay, in CO. Okay, in controlling module, we have in controlling area, we have one module called PCA. PCA. This module, PCA. That is nothing but profit center accounting. Profit center. In controlling area, it was there. Profit center accounting. Okay. This is called, we call it as an classic PCA. Classic profit center accounting. Okay. classic PCA. Okay. This PCA we are not using right now. This profit center accounting is moved to FI module, and we are calling that as a new GL accounting. Okay. Earlier we used to call it as a classic GL accounting, but whenever the profit center accounting is moved from controlling module, okay, controlling module to FI module, then we are calling this profit center accounting as a new GL accounting or new profit center accounting. Okay, new GL or new GL PCA. New GL PCA. Okay, there's a new, we are using it, that is called new GL profit center accounting. Okay. To create a profit center, what are the prerequisites? Same thing, we need to have controlling area. Controlling area is a mandatory item. Okay, so if I want to create new GL profit center accounting, I want to first define controlling area. Unless until we won't define controlling area, we can't do our new GL account, new profit center accounting. Any questions on this? Any questions?
So basically, if, in new classic, in classic GL, the profit center were in part of CO module,
CO
right?
module, correct.
And in new GL, it has been moved from
Move to
CO
CO
to.
to FI module.
Okay.
Okay. What is the advantage in the sense? Same thing I told you, right? In classic GL accounting, the formula was only we used to generate reports at GL level. GL debit equals to
Yes.
GL credit. That's it. Not a multi-dimensional, only single dimension. But when it moved from profit center accounting is moved from controlling area to FI module, then the new GL accounting as profit GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment. Debit equals to GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment credit. Means we can generate the reports at GL balances on debit and as well as credit, business area balances at debit and credit. We can generate the reports, profit center and as well as a segment. So earlier in the classic GL accounting, when the controlling area, the profit center area was with the CO module, then we used to generate only restricted. GL level only we can use to check. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that is the reason most of the companies were requested SAP to, they need a multi-dimensional reporting with multiple currencies. Here with only one currency and one dimension report. Okay, write down this picture because it's important. What is the difference between new GL accounting and this one, classic GL accounting? In the sense, you can say that in new GL accounting, earlier in classic GL accounting, profit center accounting was with the CO module. Okay, so we used to generate a report in FI module, GL debit equals to GL credit. But when it is moved from controlling area, profit center accounting is moved from controlling area to FI module, then the report has been, we used to generate multi-dimensional report. We are generating multi-dimensional reporting. Please write down this picture. It's very important interview point. What is the difference between classic GL accounting and new GL accounting? Majority will cover the old classic GL accounting. Okay, once you're done, let me know. Once you people are done, let me know so that we can proceed.
And
Okay. Write down below, write down a note, NOTE note. From ECC 6.0 version onwards, below write down note, NOTE note, from 6. From ECC 6.0 version onwards, from ECC 6.0 version onwards, from ECC 6.0 version onwards, controlling area is a required component. Controlling area is a required component. Controlling area is a required component to implement new GL profit center accounting. New GL profit to implement new GL profit center accounting. To implement new GL profit center accounting. Okay. Again, I'll repeat, from ECC 6.0 version onwards, controlling area is a mandatory component to implement new GL profit center accounting. Next item. Controlling area, it's very important. Put a star mark for this. Put a star or whatever you can. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Okay, very important, that is controlling area can be maintained in two methods. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods. First one, write down this. Controlling area equals to company codes. Write down this. Controlling area equals to company codes. Means one controlling area can have multiple company codes. 1:n methodology. 1:n. Okay, controlling area is equal to company codes, 1:n methodology. 1:n method or methodology. Next one, controlling area equal to company code, 1:1. 1:1 methodology. 1:1 means one controlling area will have one company code. Okay. Controlling area can be maintained in two methods, two different methods. One is controlling area equals to company codes. 1:n means one controlling area, number of company codes. Or one controlling area equal to one company code. 1:1. Write on this. Write down first one, controlling area equal to company codes. Write down. All member company codes. All member company codes. All member company codes must use same operational chart of accounts, same operational chart of accounts, same operational chart of accounts, must use same operation, all member company codes must use same operational chart of accounts, same operational chart of accounts, and comma or else comma. Okay. All member company codes must use same chart of accounts, operational chart of accounts, comma, same fiscal year, fiscal year variant, same fiscal year variant, same fiscal year variant. But currencies may differ. Clear? Okay, if when we are eligible to do, for example, we have a 3 different company codes, correct? So I want to use 1:n methodology. So when we can create 1:n methodology in the sense, so how many company codes we have? How many company codes we have? What are the company codes we have? Hello? Am I audible to everyone?
3 companies. 3 companies.
Please kindly listen.
Yeah.
How many company codes we have?
3.
3 company codes. So when we can do 1:n methodology controlling area in the sense, or whatever member company codes in the sense, so we have 3 company codes, LI01, LI02 and LU01. So first thumb rule is they need to have same common chart of accounts, right? LI01, LI02 and LU01 are using same chart of accounts we have created, that is LOCA, right? And second, they need to follow same fiscal year variant. They need to follow same fiscal year variant. That is V3, we have renamed it as an LV. That is nothing but April to March. So these thumb rule, these two must be mandatory. One is the member company codes must use same operational chart of accounts and they need to follow same fiscal year variant. Okay, then only we can do 1:n methodology. Okay, but currencies may differ. Different. So one company can company code can have INR, one company code can have a euro, one company code can have USD. Is that clear? So what is the advantage? You remember controlling area I was discussing. When we are following 1:n methodology, what would be the advantage? The advantage is cross-company code transaction is possible. If we are using different operational chart of accounts, different fiscal years, then 1:n methodology is not possible. So whenever we are not using 1:n methodology in the sense, same time cross-company code transaction, intercompany code transactions are also not possible. Is this clear? Any questions? Yes, no.
Yeah, it's clear from my side.
How about others? Is it clear? It's very important. Again, I'm reiterating. So when we follow 1:1 methodology, then the intercompany transactions are not possible. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just write down these 2 pictures. So people may ask you, what is the 1:n methodology? What is 1:1 methodology? What are the advantage? Just write it down. Just write down this picture. So this is 1:n methodology. This is 1:1 methodology. Okay, controlling area 1, we have created company code 1, company code 2, company code 3 are following same controlling area. And here 1:1 methodology, we have another controlling area. So we have one more company code. I'm taking example. So that is having, that is so. Here we can do transaction between company code 1 to company code 2, company code 2, company code 3, company code 3, company 1. But here we can't do transaction between company code 4 to company code 3, company code 4 to company code 1, company code 2, company code 4 to company code 2. Because it will become third party transactions if we are doing, because they are not following the same controlling area, nor they are following same chart of accounts, nor they are following same fiscal year variant. Is that clear? People will spend a lot of time to understand this concept. So please, it's very, very important concept in entire this part. Just write it up. Just write down these two pictures.
So Naveen, one question here.
Sir, please.
So as you said that 1:1 methodology and 1:n methodology.
Correct.
If company want to extend the company or they want to add some company codes, so is it possible they
Yes,
can?
yes, we can add to one controlling area. So if they are the thumb rule is they need to have the new company code should also follow same operational chart of account and same fiscal year variant.
Okay, that time we can use the
Yes, same controlling area.
same controlling area. Even the intercompany can also.
Yes, yes, that is possible.
That is.
Yeah. Clear? Any questions?
Can you scroll down a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
So Navin, just a question here. For
Please.
you said that controlling area is the highest organizational unit, right? In
Correct.
CO module.
Correct.
But if we are implementing operating concern, then that is not
see,
the.
that is again, see, that's what in FI module now controlling area is the highest organizational unit. In FICO
Okay.
module, operating concern is the highest when we combined both.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So normally 99.9% companies will follow their operational chart of accounts in 1:n methodology. Because there is a flexibility, currencies can be different. That's it. If currencies are also same in the sense, majority companies will not follow the 1:n methodology. So SAP has given the facility that the thumb rule is they can have same operational chart of accounts, same fiscal year variant, but thumb rule is the currencies may different. One company code currency may different from another company code. Company code 1 uses INR, company code 2 use Euro, company code 3 can use USD. Clear? So what is my operating concern area we are going to create here? Controlling area, sorry, control, not operating concern. This is operating concern and this is controlling area. Operating concern we will create at the end almost in COPA module, controlling and profitability analysis. So this we are going to see at the end. But now we are going to see this LCOA. So we renamed it as a Lahari controlling area. Everyone, is that clear? Just write it down. So we are going to give our controlling area name as LOCA. Sorry, LCOA. LOCA is our operational chart of accounts. LCOA is our controlling area. 4-character code. Once you are done, let me know. Let me know once you're done.
Done.
Okay. And write down note, NOT note. Write down a note. Very important. Note, NOT note. One controlling area can be assigned to number of company codes. Number of company codes. Number of company codes. Number of company codes. Okay. But one company code can have one controlling area. Can have only one controlling area. One controlling area. This is clear. Yes. So one controlling area can have multiple company codes when they are for member company codes are following same operational chart of accounts, same fiscal year variant and with different currencies. Okay. But one company code, how many controlling areas we can have? How many company, one company code have how many controlling areas?
Only one.
Only one controlling area. Clear, everyone? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Kindly respond, please. It's a humble request. Right. So we will create step number 1, maintain controlling area. We will proceed to create the control. So we need to create our controlling areas LCOA. Step number 1, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Write down. SPRO. Write down the path. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. So here it is common. So enterprise structure. Definition. Next one. Controlling. Next one. Maintain controlling area. Transaction code OX06. Okay. So I'll go with the path. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Okay. Enterprise structure. Okay. Definition. So as I said that it is a controlling area. So controlling, right? So maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. OX06 transaction code. OX06. I'll repeat once again, very important. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area, transaction code OX06. OX06. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Then next, double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on, right on, double click on maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. Maintain. Double click on maintain controlling area. So here we need to mention press new entries. Press new entries. What is a controlling area? What is the controlling area we want to create? LCOA.
LCO.
Yeah, write down LCOA. Write down this LCOA. Okay. So Lahari. Okay. Lahari controlling area. Lahari controlling area. Okay. So here we have company code controlling area. So here if you select, there will be two options. Controlling area same as company code. Means it is nothing but 1:1 methodology. Right on. Controlling area same as company code. So controlling area and company code, only one controlling area, one company code. Then we need to, if you are following 1:1 methodology, then you need to select, we need to select this option. Controlling area as company code. But if you are going with 1:n methodology, you remember I said cross company code cost accounting. If we follow 1:n methodology, then only cross company code transaction. That is nothing but intercompany transactions are possible. Understood. Second one is 1:n methodology. First one is 1:1 methodology. So which one we need to select? Which one we need to select?
So 1:1
Second one.
cross company code.
Okay, cross company. Okay, now cross currency type. Currency type already we have maintained at client level in SCC4 transaction code, correct? So if that is nothing but 30. So if you click on this, you will find group currency. So here you can see group currency. SCC4 we have maintained. What is our group currency? INR. So 30. Okay, automatically it will come INR. Fine. And select chart of accounts, LOCA.
So
LOCA.
Naveen, currency type.
One second. LOCA. Do we have LOCA? LOCA. And fiscal year variant. What is our fiscal year variant? LV. LV. LV Lahari. Yeah, just now. Yeah. What is your question?
So my question was like currency type 30. So have we
Yes.
created it earlier or it is a system
Today
defined one?
only
Because I
starting
don't.
we have created, right? SCC4 transaction.
Okay.
Okay. Group currency we have created as an INR. Okay.
During our currency settings, I believe.
No, just now in the morning. Group. What are the prerequisites for
I have
controlling area?
missed first half an hour.
Sorry?
Okay, fine. Actually,
Yeah,
okay, fine.
just go
Actually, I
through
missed
this
first.
recording. If you missed out, go through the recording. Okay, then if you have any questions, please let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So here we need to give controlling area LCOA, Lahari controlling area, 1:n methodology, group currency 30, right? INR currency automatically it will pick. Whatever currency we give as a group currency, that automatically will pick here. And next one, chart of accounts LOCA and fiscal year variant LV. Just write it up. Once you are done, let me know.
Yeah, I'm done.
Click on save button. Click on save button. Now we are in Lahari, so click on OK button. Click on OK. So only the concept you need to understand here is what is the 1:1 methodology and what is the 1:n methodology. The most important data. People will do blindly configuration, but need to understand the concept wise. In interview, definitely they will raise a concern here. Okay, whatever controlling area we have created, that need to be assigned to company codes. Correct? So how we are making a relation between this relation, how we are making LCOA, LI01, LI02. So we need to assign this controlling area to company codes. So next step, write down. Assign company codes to controlling area. Assign company codes to controlling area. Okay, step number 2, assign company codes to controlling area. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till enterprise structure. Till enterprise structure. From there select. From there select assignment. From there select assignment. So earlier we have defined, right? So that is the reason we have given definition. Okay, now it is assignment. We need to assign. Next one. From there select controlling. From there select controlling. Next one. Assign company code to controlling area. Assign company code to controlling area. Transaction code OX19. OX19. I'll show in SAP. Okay, path same as above. Okay, close this. So here we are at definition part we have done. Definition part we have done. Next one, assignment. So click on assignment. Okay, click on controlling. Next one, assign company codes to controlling area. OX19. OX19. Operating concern, when we are going to do? When we are going to do operating concern? In CO.
Profitability analysis.
Exactly, in CO module. Okay. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Click on position button. Click on position button. Give company, give controlling area. What is controlling area? LCOA. LCOA. Okay. Select LCOA. Click on position button and give controlling area. Select LCOA and double click on assignment of company codes. Double click on assignment of company codes. Double click on assignment of company codes. Next one. Press new entries. Press new entries. Press new entries. Give your company codes. If you don't remember, only these 3 company codes. Why it is showing only 3 company codes? 800 client may have number of different company codes. Why it is showing only these 3 company codes? Because we have not yet assigned also, but why only it is showing 3 company codes?
Maybe because these three
Because these 3 company codes are linked with the chart of accounts, operational
Exactly.
chart of sum.
Because only
From
these
there
3
it's
company
fetched.
codes are using this chart of accounts and fiscal year variant in the client, correct? So that is the reason it is showing only these 3 company codes. Why not other company codes? Because other company codes are using different chart of accounts, different fiscal year variant. Got it? Okay. At controlling area, same fiscal year variant and same chart of accounts. But it will have a different currencies. You can see currencies are different. If it is having same fiscal year variant for different company codes, all the different company codes list will be shown here. But here it is having only 3 company codes. So select LI01. Next one, LI02. Next one, LU01. LI01, LI02 and LU01. Lahari Cements Private Limited, Lahari Steels Private Limited, Lahari Steels Incorporation, INC. So 3 company codes. Click on save. Any questions still here? Anyone have any questions on this? Yes, no, maybe, may not be.
That's fine from my side.
Hope everyone is also okay.
Maybe I came up with some questions maybe in our next session because I have missed
Sure,
the
sure,
first
no
30
problem.
minutes. So
No problem. Okay. Next one, third step, activate components in controlling area. Activate components in controlling area. Third step, write down. Activate components in controlling area. Write down the path. SPRO. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Controlling. Controlling. General controlling. Organization. Organization. Next one, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Transaction code OKKP. 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 So I'll go with the path in SAP. So click on save. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Okay. SAP reference IMG. Okay. Controlling. You can see here controlling. General controlling. General controlling. Next, organization. Organization. Maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Transaction code OKKP. 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 Write down. Next, double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. Next, click on position button. Click on position button. Give CO area, controlling area, LCOA. Give controlling area, LCOA. Give controlling area, LCOA. Select LCOA. Select LCOA. Next one, double click on activate. Double click on activate components or control indicators. Double click on activate components or control indicators. Activate components are control indicators. Select our controlling area and double click on activate components or control indicators. Press new entries, press new entries, press new entries. So here we need to specify validity year, fiscal year. From which year onwards we want to utilize this controlling area? From which year onwards? I would like to go with 2022. 1 year backdated. Why 1 year backdated? Because the company is an existing company. If it is a new company, then you can take current fiscal year. But the company is an existing company, correct? And they were already using a different legacy system. They are using legacy system. They are already having a financial transactions or controlling transactions, cost transactions. Then that particular data need to be uploaded. Okay, last year closing balances, last year closing transactions need to be uploaded. If we give 2023 current fiscal year, then we can't upload the previous transactions, previous year transactions. Clear? So here always mention if your client is implementing the SAP, but his business is existing business, then what you need to do, we need to mention here fiscal year, last fiscal year, not current fiscal year. But your client is implementing SAP for the first time and his organization is also started this year, this fiscal year. Then we can give 2023 fiscal year or current fiscal year. Understood? So we want to upload backdated data or legacy data. Then we need to give the last fiscal year, and where it can be end, we don't know. Going concern concept in accounting concepts will always have going concern concept. Going concern concept in the sense we don't know when we close our business. So that is the reason we will give 9999 infinitum. So any questions here?
No, it's fine.
Right? Just write it down. Okay, automatically 2 it will take. Write down in the bracket. Write down in the bracket. Write down in the bracket note. Business commencement year. Business commencement year or incorporation year. Business commencement year or incorporation year. Clear? Fine, everyone. Here not SAP implementation year.
What do you mean by business commencement year?
Started or last year date, whatever it is.
Okay. Okay.
From which data you want to upload according to your client requirement. So they say that complete from starting, for example, they have started 2010.
Okay.
Understood. So they want entire data to be uploaded in SAP. Then we will give 2010 here.
Okay, fine.
Right. But in general, I'm saying this will be given last year data itself, because already before that year they have uploaded in the legacy system, right? From 2010 to 2011, 11 to 12, 12 to 22, like that they will upload it. Everything will be uploaded in the legacy system only. So entire bunch data we have 2022 in the legacy. So we will try to upload 2022. But in question in interview, if they ask what is the fiscal year you are going to give, which fiscal year you are going to give, but never ever say that last fiscal year, because the business commencement year or incorporation year, not SAP implementation year. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so here, okay, and here these components we will see in, see this is related to cost centers. So this we are not going to touch anything here as of now, because these are going to be done in a CO module, controlling module. When we start our controlling module, that particular time, we will see that. Any questions? Just write it down as it is. Okay. Click on Save button. Click on Save button. So critical transport request control indicator in controlling area. Click on OK button. Right. So here you can see assignment of company codes. Already we have designed. See. So here you can do here also by creating new enter, or previous step we have already done. Done. So this is about your controlling area. Next one. Next step right down. Maintain profit center standard hierarchy. Maintain profit center standard hierarchy. So next step, maintain profit center standard hierarchy. So structure we need to maintain. Maintain profit center standard hierarchy. Okay. Write on the path. Path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new, general ledger accounting new, general ledger accounting new. Next, master data, general ledger accounting new. Next, master data, profit center, define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. Define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. Transaction code, FAGL underscore, PC underscore, STHR. Nothing but financial account. FA stands for financial accounting, GL general ledger accounting, PC is nothing but profit center, STHR is nothing but standard hierarchy. Okay, so I'll go with the path SAP path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new. Next one, general ledger accounting new, general ledger accounting new, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting new. Next, master data, master data. Next one, profit center, profit center. Next, define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. FAGL underscore profit center underscore STHR. So earlier it was this particular option was not there in only master data. We had only GL accounts earlier version before ECC 6. Clear? Now it is moved from controlling area to financial accounting. So that is the reason from there we are calling financial accounting as a new. So here you can see financial accounting old version. Okay. General ledger accounting. See here. GL accounts, only GL accounts. There is no profit center accounting. Clear? Or general ledger accounting. There is no option called master data option here. Directly GL accounts, we can do it. When it is moved, the CO, this one, profit center standard hierarchy, then it's renamed it as in financial accounting new. In financial accounting, when we select general ledger accounting new, then we had an option called master data. Prior in old version, we don't have option called master data. Directly we can create GL accounts. That's it. Fine. profit center. Define profit center standard hierarchy. Standard hierarchy. Transaction code FAGL underscore profit center stand underscore STHR standard hierarchy.
Naveen, I'm like
Yes, sir.
sorry for a silly question. Like,
No problem.
what is the role of a profit center in an organization? Like,
Sorry.
what is the role of a profit center in an organization? Like,
Profit centers. I think we have already discussed at the time of beginning. Okay, let me, after creation of profit center, I'll explain what is the role of profit center. Clear?
okay.
At the time of creation of profit center account, profit centers, I'll explain what exactly it will perform. Okay, click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Next, click on position button. Click on position button. Give your controlling area, LCOA. Give your controlling area, LCOA. What is a cost center? I think you people are working, majority are working as an end user, right? What is a cost center?
I mean, like, suppose we have assigned different cost center as per department wise. Suppose there is a department called HR or admin, and so we will be assigning a cost center to them, and whatever cost is occurring actually under those departments, those will be accumulated in that cost center itself.
So cost center will record any revenue items.
No, mostly it will only include the expenses. I mean, like, while we are debiting something, we are using the cost centers.
Correct. But when it comes to a profit center, I'll give in depth also. Profit centers will collect the information, expenses, and as well as the revenues. Understood? Collect
Yes.
the, profit center, cost centers will collect only cost related information. Clear? At the time of
Yeah.
production level. But only direct cost, direct expenses, it will record cost center. The expenses are divided into two types, so whether you know it or not, right? Direct
Yeah.
expenses, indirect expenses. Direct expenses are nothing but at the time of manufacturing expenses. Whatever expenses we incurred at the time of manufacturing or at the time of purchase of goods for resale, whatever expenses we are going to incur, okay, those expenses, right? At the all the factory expenses are considered as in direct expenses. And all the direct expenses will be recorded by, all the direct expenses will be recorded in cost center accounting or cost element accounting. Clear? And all the indirect expenses, all indirect expenses, all indirect revenues will be recorded or collected by profit center accounting. Clear?
Yeah.
Expenses and revenues. And over there, only the cost. What cost? Direct cost. What do you mean by direct cost? Direct cost is nothing but, or direct expenses are nothing but the expenses which are incurred at the time of manufacturing of goods or at the time of purchase of goods to resale, or all the factory expenses are will be collected in cost center accounting or cost element accounting. Is that clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Give controlling area LCOA. Give controlling area LCOA. Okay. So give your hierarchy name. Give your hierarchy name. So I would like to give LCOA. Remember this, LCOA. LCOA is our controlling area name. Okay, here I already have mentioned here. Controlling area. Okay, I'll give PCSHR. LCOA and PCSHR. Just write it up. So we are defining here, what is my controlling area? LCOA, my controlling area. So hierarchy also, I'm just naming convention. I need to remember. So I need to easily recognize. So that is the reason I'm giving my hierarchy name also LCOA. And from there, I'm giving it as a PCSHR, Profit Center Standard Hierarchy. Okay, click on save. Click on OK button. Profit Center Standard Hierarchy. Okay. So here, not only from this particular configuration step, we can create this hierarchy through table also. Write down. Any questions still here? Anyone?
No, Navin.
Okay. So this is one way we can create the standard hierarchy, or we have one more way, table way, or ORR, write down. Or ORR, put maintain profit center standard hierarchy by table or through table. So transaction code SM30, transaction code SM30, transaction code SM30, and table name is V underscore FAGL underscore PC underscore STHR. STHR. Okay, click on save. So I'll go with /o SM30. SM30. Okay, SM30. Okay, SM30. So we need to give the table name here. V underscore FAGL underscore FAGL underscore. Okay. PC underscore STHR. Right on this. V underscore FAGL underscore PC underscore STHR.
Sir, can we select through F4 button also?
Yes, yes. We can search from here also. The table name. Okay. So here we need to give V underscore FAGL underscore star. Here you can search. It will take search. So that's the reason I remember the profit, this table names. So we need to remember few table names. So this is one of the important table name. Or you can search like this. See, searching here.
These table names are predefined by SAP, sir.
Exactly. All the tables are predefined by SAP. See here. FAGL underscore PC. So you need to remember this to search.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. Right up. So one is, we can maintain in two different ways. One is through navigation or one is with tables. Okay. So here, click on maintain button. Click on maintain button. Click on maintain button. Already it is showing somebody has occupied. Okay. So we can unlock, you know that SM12 transaction code. Okay. So same, it will show the same step. It will open the same thing after this. Clear, everyone? So what I want to show here is it will possible to maintain a standard hierarchy through navigation or through table level. Okay, click on save button. Next prerequisite is, what is the next prerequisite? What is the next prerequisite? Please try to remember. Controlling area we have done. Standard hierarchy we done. Yes, we have not created profit center, but
Fiscal-
hierarchy we have created. Correct?
Fiscal year variant.
What is the next step?
Fiscal year
fiscal year
variant.
variant.
Maintain fiscal year variant. Try to remember these prerequisites. So in each and every session, probably we will discuss about this. Okay, write down. Next step. Already April to March we have maintained. Now we need to maintain Jan to December. Write down. Maintain fiscal year variant within the bracket Jan to December. Jan to December. Write down the path. Maintain fiscal year variant Jan to December. Write down the path. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Next one, ledgers. Next one. Ledgers. Next one. Fiscal year and posting periods. Fiscal year, already we saw in right April to March. Same thing we are going to do. Fiscal year and posting periods. Next one. Maintain fiscal year variant. Maintain fiscal year variant. Transaction code OB29. 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 I'll go with the path. Okay. Write down SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new. Next one. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, financial accounting global settings new. Next, ledgers, fiscal year and posting periods, ledgers. The next, fiscal year and posting periods. Next one, maintain fiscal year variant. We already discussed what do you mean by shortened fiscal year, right? So both will be maintained in one. So OB29 is a transaction code. Transaction code is OB29. Click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Okay. So what is Jan to December SAP standard variant? Yes.
K4.
K4, correct. Click on position button. Fiscal year variant K4. Select K4. SAP standard one, this is. SAP standard one. Okay. Select K4. Select K4. Click on copy as button. Next one. Click on copy as button. Select K4. Click on copy as button. Click on copy as means we are not going to create, we are copying from standard like what we did with V3, Jan to December, sorry, April to March. K4 is a standard variant. We are copying standard one. Click on copy as button. Click on copy as button. Okay, what I'll do, I'll give LK. Okay, nothing but Lahari. Remember this LK. Lahari. Lahari. Jan to December plus 4 special periods. Just write it up. Lahari, Jan to December, 4 special periods. Right on the screen. So what we did, we have copied, we have selected K4 and we have copied K4 and we have renamed it as an L. Nothing but Lahari, nothing but K. K is nothing but K4. Fine. Just write it down. Just write it down. Screen as it is. Okay. Any questions here?
No, Navin.
Okay. Press enter. Press enter. It will show it as a number of dependent entries are copied 496. Click on copy all. First press enter. Then next click on copy all. Then again it will show one more message. So total features, attributes, how many it is copied. You can see total 496. Or else what we need to do manually, if you want to create, then you need to do all the 496 attributes manually. So to avoid that step, so we are copying the standard SAP standard. Okay, so write down number of dependent entries are copied 496. Click on OK. That's it. You can see now. Lahari, Jan to December. So you can see here periods. Yeah, it need to be saved first. Click on save. Click on save. Okay, click on save. The next select LK. Select LK. Select LK. So if you click on periods, double click on periods. Double click on periods. So write down this message. Periods cannot be maintained for calendar year because by default it will take 1 to 12. Jan to December. Periods cannot be maintained for calendar dependent financial year. January will be considered as an okay first period and December is okay. Click on OK button. That's it. So here we need not to understand the system, that because system already knows the calendar year, right? Jan to December. January will be the first period and December will be the 12th period. Correct. But if you are taking non-calendar year, then we need to make the system to understand that you have to consider April is the first period and March is the 12th period, because we are deviating the calendar. So then we need to make the system to understand. Clear, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, I'm clear.
Okay. Okay, this is the calendar year. Fine. Next. Next one, write down. Maintain. Define variants for open posting periods. Next step, write down. Define open posting periods. Next step. Or maintain. Define or maintain open posting period variant. Okay, that is also for Jan to December. path, up to fiscal year and posting periods, same as above. Up to fiscal year and posting periods, path same as above. From there, select posting periods. Posting periods. Define variants for open posting periods. Transaction code OBBO. Okay, again I'll go. Okay. Fine. Path SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting global settings new. The next ledgers. Okay, under ledgers, select fiscal year and posting periods. Okay. Next, select posting periods. Okay, next one. Define variants for open posting periods. Transaction code OBBO. Okay. Click on IMG activity button. The next press new entries. Okay. So I'll create it as a Lahari variant for K4, correct? LV K4, posting period K4 is SAP standard Jan to December. Okay, next one, I'll give the name as a Lahari variant. Lahari posting period, right? Sorry. Jan to December. Remember this. LVK4. Lahari posting period variant for Jan to December. Okay, click on save. Press enter. Click on save. Click on save. Lahari posting period variant for Jan to December. Next, write down. Next step, write down open and close posting periods. Write down next step, open and close posting periods. Write down the path. Same as above. Up to posting periods. From there, select. Open and close posting periods. From there, select. Open and close posting periods. Transaction code OB52. Transaction code OB52. Clear? I'll show in SAP. Click on save button. Press back button. Press back button. So here, open and close posting periods. Transaction code OB52. Path up to posting periods the same as above. From there, select open and close posting periods. And transaction code is OB52, last 4 digits. 4 characters. Okay, click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. press new entries. So give your variant name. LP K4, correct? Lahari posting period variant. Jan to December. Next one, what is the option we select here? Account type. Yeah, what we will take? All accounting periods. Valid for all accounting periods. Okay, next one. We are opening for all the periods. Fiscal year 1. Okay, so we will do with, now we are in 2023, right? So I'll take it as in 2023, 2024. Because we have started 2024 April month, in the sense we will start postings or whatever it is. So in the month of, okay, we can change it later or else. 2023, 12th period, 2023, 13th period, 13th period, 2023, 14th period, 2023. Sorry, 16th. Only 52. Just write it down. So same whatever we did. Okay, 12 normal periods and 4 special periods are. Click on save button. So how many periods are opened here?
16
No, 12 normal periods and 4.
for special periods. Yeah.
That's we need to mention.
Okay.
Click on save button. Okay, with this step, we have completed the prerequisites of new GL accounting. What is the first step? We have maintained a group currency. The next, we have maintained the group currency, client level in SEC4. Second step, we maintained controlling area. Okay, third step, we have maintained a profit center standard hierarchy. Fourth step, we maintained fiscal year variant. Fifth step, we maintained posting period variant. Open and close. Clear? Any questions here? These 5 components are required to maintain new GL accounting. Any questions?
Nothing from my
No.
end as of now.
Okay, right. So what we will do, I'll share the recordings today. So that just go through the recordings and try to practice. So next week, we will start the most important. As I said, every topic is important, but here new things are introduced. So we are going to discuss new GL accounting part. New GL accounting. Okay, most of the interview questions you can expect from this. Clear? So this is a little lengthy topic, new GL accounting. Right? So next Saturday, Sunday, definitely we are going to close this new GL accounting. Not, if not one more week, it will take. That's it. As per your understanding, that's it. I don't want to rush here unless until you won't understand. So that is possible. Understanding is possible when we do the correct practice part. Okay. Lot of things newly added, and I have added in the last session also, the last notes also. Fine. Thank you all.
Yeah, thanks, Navin.
Thank you. See you next.
Navin,
Go ahead, sir.
Navin, just one question is that regarding that cost center are used for capturing the direct expenses, right?
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Cost sheet.
And okay, and profit center, like
It's direct and indirect expenses and revenues. Cost center contains only the expenses, cost related items, direct cost related. But profit center will have both revenues and this one.
And revenue and in terms of expense, it will contain both
Yes,
direct
yes,
and
profit
indirect.
center will contain both expenses and as well as the revenues.
Okay, but in from expenses point of
Direct and
view,
indirect.
profits
Direct
direct
and
and
indirect.
indirect
Yes.
both. Okay.
Okay. Any other questions from anyone? If anyone have an issue with the direct expenses and indirect expenses, so that we are going to discuss in controlling module in depth. How to recognize the given expense is a direct expense or not. What is the difference between an expense and loss?
Expense is is an investment, like from where we are expecting a turnover or a profit, but a loss is a loss, like we are not expecting anything.
So this particular course, whatever amount you paid, is it an expense or a loss?
Sorry, it's an
Course fee you are
expense.
paying, is it an
It's an
expense or loss?
It's an expenses only because return will be there.
Exactly. See, the simple difference, hairline difference is expense is nothing but the amount which we invested. If we are getting a return benefit, then that is considered as an expense. We are invested something and we are not getting any return benefit, then that is considered as a loss. Understood? Expense is
Yeah.
different, loss is different. Expense, something we are spending and we are getting a return benefit. Then that is considered as an expense. We are spending something and we are not getting a return benefit, then that is considered as a loss. And I think we have already discussed, there are different types of expenditure, capital expenditure and revenue expenditure and deferred revenue expenditure. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see more and more in accounting terms also. Fine all, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Also the
Thank you.
material as well.
Sorry,
Material also can you do?
I didn't get you.
The material.
Material also I'll share.
Okay.
Thank you. In the group, I'll share it.
Thank you.
Thank you.